Hey everybody, this is the 3rd of February 2014. I'm currently doing some fixing on the system. I'm testing the new kind of venturi-type. This is the setup. I'm injecting air into the water with the help of water flow. It's a pretty much simple solution, but pretty effective. It's running on a 25 watt washer pump, so we'll see when I further test this device how it works out. I'm also working on improving the radial settler. It's actually connected as swirl filter that's not performing really well because the cistern is too small, and it also shouldn't be swirling, it should be just settling. So we'll see what I'll made out of this. The fish are doing well. I think we can see them. Yeah, you can see them a little bit. They're doing fine. The veggies are also growing nicely. I have to add the iron to the system. You can see the pale new growth. This is typical iron deficiency. Let's have another example of this. Here you can see how pale are the new leaves. This is also the iron deficiency. Strawberry is fruiting. Another example of cauliflower that is iron deficient. Pretty much spring is coming to the greenhouse. Everything is ticking along nicely. This is the corn salad that was sown in the winter and is starting to grow out. Pak choy will be harvested today because it's going into flower. As you can see, you can try some of this. Yeah, kind of bitter, sour and sweet. Nice. Okay. I think that's it for today. See you next time.